my people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming by, please subscribe, like, share, and also comment on what we're doing. So if you have been part of this and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. Today I'll be showing you how to do the jollof rice. I will start with making the sauce for the meat sauce. I put ginger, onions, and garlic. I'm gonna blend it. I'll be using this meat stock for my jollof rice. So after I finish blending it, I'm gonna pour it into the chicken to make my meat stock. I'll be adding curry powder, adding basil, rosemary, basil, add a cube of seasoning cube, and salt. I will cover it and let it simmer for some minutes before I will add water. Now I'll be preparing my pepper and the paprika and the long pepper for my jollof rice. With the garlic, and ginger and onion. I'm using whole onion with bell pepper, the paprika. Okay, now I'll be adding some paprika powder into my meat stock with bay leaves, and I'll let it simmer and add a little bit of water so that I will have enough meat stock. Now I'll be adding my tomato paste into the blender because I want to blend all together, because I like to blend them together so that they will have the same mixture. I'll add a little bit of water just to help the blender to blend them well. Okay, well, I will set it aside and check my meat for the meat stock. I think it's ready. It's ready for us to take out the chicken. Then we'll be using the meat stock for the jollof rice. It looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna take out my chicken, set them on the air fryer tray. I prefer using the air fryer, but feel free to fry it if you want to do that, but I prefer air fryer. Okay, I will set up the air fryer and let it dry up the chicken and do the frying for me. So I'll set the timer to 30 minutes under 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, now my chicken is on the way. Now I'm gonna prepare for the sauce for the jollof rice. I'm adding the oil, feel free to add according to your measurement. So now I'm adding the blended tomato paste with other peppers and all the ingredients. So I'm gonna fry them and let it fry because I want them dry. Okay, my chicken is almost setting up, almost ready. Okay, I'm gonna fry and let the tomato keep frying while I prepare for the rice. Now I'm using basmati rice, and basmati rice you have to be careful with water, so I don't want to pre-cook it, so I'm gonna wash it and use it directly. Now my stew is getting ready and my chicken is all done. So I'll be taking the chicken out because I think it's all done. Now my stew is all ready. So I'll be adding the powdered paprika to get the color more red, and bay leaves, and thyme, with curry powder, and basil, and rosemary. I will mix all together to let it combine and cook and fry more because I want the taste to all get into the tomato sauce. Okay, now I'm gonna add the seasoning cube and salt. To combine and allow the stew to fry for a little bit more, and then I'm gonna pour my rice inside the tomato sauce and mix all together. And now I'm pouring my meat stock and mix all together. I will be adding some water because my meat stock is not enough to cook the rice, so I'll add more water to it. My chicken is done, and the oil from the chicken from the air fryer, I'm gonna pour the oil because I think it's okay. I like it because it has the taste, the chicken taste, so it's part of the cooking. So now my rice is cooking, you can see. My rice is done, almost done. Now I can put some toppings on top of it. I can put the chicken that was grilled, that was baked with my air fryer. I have to put it on top of the rice because I want it to stay warm. Okay. just optional because I choose to do it because I want to keep the chicken warm as it's still cooking, just the last part of the cooking. Then I will put the vegetable on top, all the bell peppers, the little small peppers. I'll slice it in tiny parts. I'll use it to just top up. Then all these are optional, it's not required. So anyway, cooking jollof rice is your own method. Whatever that works for you, just implement that. Now my jollof rice is done. As you can see, oh, it looks so good and it tastes so good also. It's delicious. If you have come this far, thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for watching, and thank you for always standing with us. Remember to subscribe, like our video, and share and comment. And always click on the notification button so that anytime we upload a video, you can see